मुझे तो नहीं लगता उनसे अब हमें कुछ मतलब होना चाहिए, क्योंकि इतना साल तक उन लोगों ने हमें गुलामी जैसा राज दिया है, और कुछ दिन के बाद में वहाँ पे भी वही पॉलिटिशियन आ जाएगा, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये कुछ अच्छा है। तो अपना अपना इंडिया अच्छा है, जहाँ संविधान है इसलिए इंडिया अच्छा है।
I think they see it with some degree of interest, of amusement, of curiosity, as a symbol of a tradition, but there are no emotional ties with the royal family, as may be presumed to be in a country which was once colonized by the British. India has definitely moved on from any element of hostility towards Britain. There are some residual angsts, such as the priceless artifacts that Britain took from India of historical and cultural interest. The Kohinoor diamond, we feel, should be returned to us. This notion needs to be removed that here is a former colony riveted to the television watching the coronation of Prince Charles. I don't think it's happening in India.